Hello again, everyone. Today I have another blue envelope, and this is a Chic Sparrow order that I've been waiting for quite some time. So I'm going to go ahead and get in here. Alrighty, just take that out of the paper. I'm going to see if I got a sticker. Yep, another one of these little baby oak. They're so cute. Put that off to the side. Oh, that's right, I forgot. I got some additional things. So this is going to give it away, but here we have a Burgundy pen loop. Actually, it's not a pen loop. It's a, what are these called? Pen quivers. So it's a pen quiver, but with the closure. So it's actually a pen closure. So there's that I got in Burgundy. So this is a traveler's notebook in Burgundy, the color that I've been waiting for quite some time. And I also got a key fob, just because I love this color so much. And I know there's supposed to be some more that are going to come back next year, but they mentioned folios, and I don't know if any other types are going to be available. So this one is beautiful. I love the texture on here. So I'm hoping that my traveler's notebook looks something like this. We'll see. Okay, here we go. Let's go ahead and take that. Oh, yes. And it does, yay! I mean, it's probably not as dark as this one, but that's okay. This is perfect. It has some beautiful lines in it. This is amazing. I have been wanting this notebook for, I would say, years now, and finally I'm able to get it. They have so this was a limited edition, so it's not available right now. But like I said, they were talking about bringing it back for 2021, at the very least in folios, because that was the only thing that was discussed. But, you know, I mean, like a lot of things, timing could vary depending on when they can get the leather in and all of that. So, but they have instituted a limit of one larger item, not including the smaller items like the ones I just showed you. They've limited their limited edition items to one item per person. So I didn't necessarily agonize, because I really knew that I wanted a B6 Slim in the Burgundy because I didn't have one. Well, I do have one, but it's very old and scuffed up, and I got it off of a buy-sell trade group, and I wanted a new one for my very own. So I knew I was going to get this, but I also really love the Pocket Cascade, which they had this in, and I was like, well, oh well, I'm just not going to get the Pocket Cascade. I'm only going to get this one. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up here and show you the inside, because it is a Cascade, and this is a gorgeous Burgundy. I am so happy about this one. If it were even darker like that, that would be the bomb. But I love this color, and it will darken with use and all of that. But this is just lovely. This is perfect. This is exactly what I was wanting with the matching stitching. It's absolutely perfect. This is probably, like this right here, this is my favorite leather color of any leathers. I do like the browns. I like browns a lot. So so I'm good with those. But if you were to ask me, you know, if I could only have one in my collection, it would be this color. And, you know, now that I have this one, maybe it would be this one. So at some point soon, I will move my everyday carry into this one. I have some planned changes for my setup for 2021. Not as far as size goes, but because I'm going to be still staying in the B6 Slim. That's the plan for 2021. But I do plan to use the Days notebook instead of just the regular Jabun Techo. I'm planning on using the Jabun Days for my personal planner, and then I'm going to use the regular Jabun Techo for work. And I plan to show sort of my planned setup for both of those at some point on the channel. I, at some point, filmed my work planner, and then I deleted it because it had some information that I probably shouldn't have included in the video, and I didn't want to show that. So it's hard because there's so much work specific stuff in there, but I can certainly show you my setup before I put anything in there. So other than maybe just a couple of calendar appointments, which wouldn't give away anything. So that's the plan. I did just want to show this one to you guys. I am super happy with it. I mean, it has lovely character. I am really, really stoked about this one. This is definitely a keeper. It's another one of those keepers. So I think that's all I had for you today. Feel free to subscribe and keep track of future videos. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a like. This was a short one, but I just wanted to show you this as soon as I got it and to give you my honest reaction upon opening it. I'm super, super happy with it. And I'll bring these back out. So as you can see, this one's a little darker and then this one's a little lighter. So these are the different options. But again, this leather is going to get darker as it ages. So I'm super happy with that. If it ends up looking like this as it ages, I'm super happy. All right, so that's it for today. And I hope to see you next time. But in the meantime, have a great day. Thanks so much. Bye.